Time now for Health Matters with your host, Alicia Thompson with the City County Health Department.
Good morning and welcome to Community Health Matters. My name is Alicia Thompson and I'm the Health Officer for Cascade County. Today I have Janelle Olberding with me, and she's in the Public Health Emergency Preparedness Program at the City County Health Department. So Janelle, can you tell me what does CCHD do in its emergency preparedness program?
Well, basically we're responsible for protecting the health and safety of residents during a public health emergency, and one of those things that includes is helping people to be more personally prepared should an emergency arise.
Okay, and so what are some of the things that people can specifically do to be prepared for an emergency?
There's three main things that people can do at home, and that is to get an emergency kit, to make a plan, and to stay informed.
Okay. And what should be included in an emergency preparedness kit?
Well, Alicia, every family is different, so each kit will be a bit different. But generally, folks should have 3 days worth of water and non-perishable food, extra clothing, an alternate heat source, alternate light sources, flashlights, extra batteries for those things, a radio to keep track of what's going on, things like that.
Okay. And what about this family plan? What should that plan involve?
Well, the biggest thing with the plan is to make sure that the family members all know how to get in touch with one another if something happens. You know, we spend our time in different places during the day, at work, at school, daycare. So each family member should know how to get a hold of each other and where to meet if there's a meeting place, and just how to let one another know that they're okay.
Okay. Are there any ways that families can plan for an evacuation?
Absolutely. So the biggest thing is just to kind of have an idea of when your family would need to evacuate. You know, sometimes authorities will advise to evacuate, or sometimes you might just think there's somewhere else you could feel more comfortable or be safer. So you should know how to get there, try to have multiple routes. Have a plan to secure your home, turn off your utilities, and then remember your pets. And if you can't take them, how will they be taken care of?
Okay. Can you talk about some of the ways that people can be informed during a public health emergency?
Sure. Yeah, it's definitely easier to prepare if we know what we're preparing for. So try to get an idea of what hazards could happen in our area. The most common things around here are things like wildfires, severe weather, flooding, and then disease outbreak as well. You can contact CCHD or Cascade County Disaster and Emergency Services will have some more information on the different hazards.
And out of curiosity, are there ways that the community could help us to practice and prepare for responding to public health emergencies?
Definitely. We have our annual flu shot clinics every year, and besides getting people vaccinated against the flu, we use those as a big preparedness exercise in case of a disease outbreak or things like that. So just by coming to the clinic, folks are really helping us to practice our plans. And people can also volunteer to help us do those types of things as well. So.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Janelle, for joining us. And thank you for joining us for Community Health Matters. To learn more about what the City County Health Department can do for you, please visit our website.
Join us again next Tuesday for Health Matters, brought to you by City County Health Department.